What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to end an auction on eBay without paying any fees. Now eBay makes this a lot more confusing than it needs to be, but I'm just going to show you how to do it with no fees. So you're going to head over to the auction that you want to end. And then once you get to this screen right here where you could end the auction, you could just choose a random reason. I usually just choose that the listing contained an error. And then it's going to pop up with this message. This scared me at first because I really wasn't sure what it meant, and it was kind of a pricey thing, so I didn't want to pay a lot of fees. But essentially, if your auction either has no watchers or bids on it, then you will be able to end it without a fee. However, if it does have that, you're going to wait for either the auction to reset again or for the auction to be purchased. I know it's kind of unfortunate to happen like this, but you should be able to end it if nobody else cares about the listing, and you could just relist it how you want. If you thought this tutorial was confusing or you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and also read the description because there's very important information you wouldn't want to miss.